left, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away.